everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. I am Little Amazon, but you can call me Z or LA, whatever floats your boat. I really like the top you're wearing today. Brings out your eyes. So today we are going to be continuing with our DIY special effects product series, I guess. We are going to be making fake blood today with stuff that you should have around the house or things that you can get super easily. I know sometimes that getting fake blood is not the easiest thing in the world, so I'm going to be showing you the methods that I use to create different kinds of blood with different textures as well. Sometimes you want to, up the gross. I would highly recommend having a bowl with some water and a cloth, or maybe some wet wipes, so that you can wash the blood off your hands. It is about to get super sticky, super gory, super gross here, so enjoy, have fun with it, and yeah, let's get started. The base for our blood is going to be traditional syrup. Some people like to use corn syrup, which is clear, but I like the color that the traditional syrup adds to the blood. We're going to be using red food coloring, the tiniest little drop of blue. You don't want your blood to be purple, so it's single drop of blue, and also a drop of yellow. Remember, the more food coloring you add, the more likely it is that it will stain whatever it is on, so just be aware of that. When mixing it up, make sure that you use downward pushing movements until it starts mixing in, and then you can start stirring. I was testing the colors, as you can see on my paper towel. Just add more food coloring until you get the color that you want. See how it's bleeding on my skin there a little bit? To make sure that it doesn't do that, we are going to be adding some dish soap. Bear in mind, once you add the dish soap, it's not edible anymore. And now you can see it's not bleeding. To create different styles of blood, we're going to be mixing different ingredients into these bowls. The first ingredient is corn flour. Remember to add it in very slowly so that it doesn't get too clumpy. Also use that little sieve thing to make it a bit easier for yourself. This will make the blood have a little bit of like a stylized cloudy look. You can also add more food coloring if you think that the color is not working out the way you want it. This gives it very much like an 80s slasher blood. This is my favorite blood of all time. Adding in cocoa will make it look like old blood. It is so cool. I absolutely love it. Just bear in mind you have to work the cocoa in because it takes a while to mix it in, so just be patient. This last ingredient is just normal baking flour. This also will make the blood a little bit more cloudy, a little bit more stylized. I probably love this one more than the corn flour personally. Now to up the gross, I am throwing in some toilet paper, and it will make it just look very, gross and stringy and nasty. You can see as I'm pulling it apart, it's just making this gross mess. It's disgusting. Now I'm adding in hair gel. This sort of just makes it look very, goopy and gross. I guess you could use this for like, diseased blood. This is my absolute favorite. Cotton wool inside blood just makes this disgusting, stringy, gross mess. It is so cool. And the last bit of gross is just clear glue. It somehow reacts with the blood in such a weird way. I think it looks very much like brain matter, so I think this could be very, very cool for like a zombie project, or if there was like a shootout in your short film or something like that. I think this could be very cool. See? Brain matter. Ew. Please excuse how my camera focused on my arm. I was not paying attention. I'm just dripping the blood down a piece of paper so that you can see the different kinds of drip, the different kinds of color, just so that you can really see what it would look like. Ugh, look at that, it's so gross. It's really cool as well to see how fast or how slow the different mixes drip, and how thin they get as well. Bear in mind that this is just the way I like to do it. A lot of my DIY videos just come with a lot of experimentation, so please feel free to experiment as well. This is just the base that I've given you, and you can do how you like it. And there we have it. That was my method on how to create some super simple, super cheap fake blood. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this kind of content and you want to see more, please feel free to like and subscribe. With Halloween coming up, I will be posting more DIY videos. My next video will be how to make a face cast so that you can create your own prosthetics that will fit your actual face. And I will also be posting a basics of special effects video where I will show you different ways to make bruises with different products, how to make cuts with different kinds of products, as well as how to make a bald cap. So that's going to be super duper fun. Make sure to hit that bell notification button thingy so that you get notified when I upload those. And if you want to see me absolutely getting terrified while playing games, or if you want to even see me do my makeup live, you can follow me on Twitch. I stream 4 times a week. I do 3 game streams and 1 makeup stream. I would absolutely love to see you there. We have an incredible community and we always have lots of fun. Thank you so much, and until next time, bye!